Good to see you back, guys. Once again, I am back with another tutorial related JavaScript BOM. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn two other methods, resizeBy and resizeTo. Here you can see a browser window. And when we open the window, we specify a size, 100 by 100 pixel. And now you want to resize this browser without drag and drop. And also you want to specify height and width. For this type of resize, we have total two methods in JavaScript, resizeBy and resizeTo. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see what is that. As usual, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I open my previous HTML document named index.html. If I press open window button, as you can see, it creates a new window. And we already specify height and width to this window, width 500 and height 200. And now I want to resize this window without dragging. For that, first we need to take a button. So I'm going to duplicate this line. And here I'm going to change the function name. I'm going to replace open with resize. Our function name is resize window. And also we need to change the button text, resize window. And now we need to define the function in our script tag. So I copy the function name and here I'm going to type function and our function name is resize window. Then inside the curly braces, we need to type my window dot our method name, which is resizeTo. And here we need to pass the values. And I'm going to set height and width 400 by 400. 400, 400. And semicolon to end this line. So let's save the file. Here you can see both the buttons. So I'm going to press open window button. And now I want to resize this window. So I'm going to press resize window button. After press resize window, you can see the result. It's changed window height and width. So this is the usage of resizeTo method. Let's see our second method, which is resizeBy. So at first, I'm going to duplicate this line and comment out previous one. And I'm going to replace resizeTo with resizeBy. Now the question is, what is the difference between resizeBy and resizeTo method? If we use resizeBy method, it's going to extend the existing height and width. Here you can see, when we open our window, we set height to 100 pixel. And if we use resizeBy function, it's going to increase the height with the existing height. It's going to add 400 with 200. At the similar way, it's going to add 400 with 500. Let me show you. So to save this file, I'm going to open the window. Now you can see our window height is 200 pixel and width is 500 pixel. But if I press resize window, now our tab height is 600 pixel and tab width is 900 pixel. ResizeBy method work with existing value and resizeTo method, but resizeTo method work separately. So this is the difference between resizeBy and resizeTo method. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.